Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Nybbles. As there are many subfields of artificial intelligence like machine learning, deep learning, cognitive computing, neural networks, NLP, and computer vision, today in this video I am going to talk about NLP, that is natural language processing. With this feature of artificial intelligence, computers can interpret, identify, locate, and process human language and speech. The concept behind introducing this component is to make the interaction between the computers and human language more seamless. Now let's take a look at few of the sectors that get benefit from NLP. NLP in healthcare. Here, NLP can accurately process a large amount of data in short period where this data can be used to form assumptions, conclusions, as well as gain insights about new variables. NLP in finance. Finance is another sector that uses NLP for risk assessment, credibility analysis, sentiment analysis, customer chat box, etc. NLP in education. Here, NLP is used to detect the plagiarism and grammar of the textual language that helps teachers to assess theses, dissertation, assignment papers, and also can guide students to make the context more relatable and readable. These are just a few significance of NLP being used in different sectors. There is a vast scope to adapt and deploy AI in different sectors as artificial intelligence and technology is one part of our life that always interests and surprises with new innovations, technologies, topics, products, and many more. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.